So today, as like independent events are there, right? In independent event, we have seen that PA intersection B can be written as PA into PB. Okay. So here there is binomial probability. Okay. This is not binomial distribution. Okay. Binomial distribution is different thing and binomial probability is different thing. In binomial probability, only we will talk about win and loss. Like any experiment is being done, and in that only win and lose. Two cases are there. Only win and lose. And these experiments are independent. Okay, experiments are independent. There is only two possibility: failure, success, or you can say win, lose. Okay, like tossing a coin. If head is coming, suppose it is win. If tail is coming, suppose it is lose. The probability of win is half, probability of lose is half. Okay. Suppose we are throwing a dice. Okay, throwing a dice, and suppose even number is coming, win. So 2, 4, 6, win, probability will be half, and 1, 3, 5, if it is coming, it will be lose. So probability will be half. Okay. Sometimes it will be half, sometimes it will be 1 by 3 also. Suppose if I say, if I am tossing a dice, throwing a dice, and less than 2 number, suppose it is winning, less than 2 means 1. So 1 by 6 will become winning, and losing means 5 by 6. Probability of losing is 5 by 6. Okay. So wherever question is coming related to win or lose only, okay, that will come under binomial probability. So let's begin with it. So in language, we will write here. Today we will talk only for this binomial probability. Right. Let an experiment, okay, definitely it is independent. It has an independent trial. All of you, before losing and winning, remember, okay, these binomial probabilities for n independent trials. Independent trials should be there. Independent trial. And each of the trial, each of the each of the trial has two possible outcomes. Two possible outcomes. What are those outcomes? One is success, another is failure. Okay. Or I can say win-lose model. Win and lose. Next is, if the probability of getting success, suppose probability of success, P we are calling, small p, and probability of failure, definitely P of failure is PF, failure, PF is equals to small q. Okay, definitely P plus Q, win plus lose will be, probability will be 1. Definitely total probability is one only, either you win or lose. Okay. Then probability of R success is given by NCR P power R Q power N minus R. Just listen it. Okay. How we are writing this, we will understand. You see, explanation. Think of it. Like if I say 4 trials is there. 4 trials is there. Okay, what is happening here? I'm telling you. NCR is nothing but you are selecting R success out of N trial. So they're talking about R success. So definitely out of N trials, suppose 4 trial is there, and I'm talking about, okay, suppose if I'm talking about 3 success, 3 success, so definitely 1 will be failure. So how the game will begin? Like tossing is there. Okay, suppose with the quantum explaining. Okay, first one, success, failure. This is one case. It might be success, failure, success. It might be failure, success. It might be success, failure, success. Okay, game can be played like this. Okay, you see, 3 success is required. So success, failure. This is one game happened. In 4 trial already happened. 1 trial, 2 trial, 3 trial, 4 trial. Or we can say it may happen like this. F, S. It may happen like this. That means first game winning, losing, winning. Or you can say S, F, S. Okay. Or you can say F, S. What happened? 4 game you can play in which 3 will be success. So what is actually happening? Okay, definitely it is just arrangement. 4 places is there, and you have to arrange 3 things. 3 things out of 4 place, and one more thing is there. Or you can say 4 place, 4 things is there, but 3 are identical. Okay, so you see here you can count actually. Now suppose if I ask you, suppose 6 trial is there. 6 trial is there, 4 success. 4 success, 2 failure is there. So you can say, sir, 6 trial, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 things are there. And out of that, 4 is one kind and 2 is another kind. So this is the way of arranging this. Way of arrangement of 6 trials. Okay, in that 4 success is there and 2 failure is there. So 6 thing, 6 places, but 4 identical, 2 identical. So this is the way of arrangements, and this is nothing but 6C4. 6C4 means you are selecting 4 success simply. Okay, out of 6 things, 4 is indicating success. Okay, and each trial you will get you success is there, failure. So probability of success, suppose P, and here you'll get Q. So what we are getting? P power 4, Q power 2 is coming. Oh, suppose R success is there, so definitely P power R. And how many failure is there? So we'll say, sir, Q minus R failure is there, N minus R failure is there. So what is happening? Out of N, you have taken R success. Okay, in each case, you see what is happening. S power 3, F power 1. S power 3, F power 1. S power 3, F power 1. So what is happening? In each case, this thing is generating, and R success you have taken. Understood this? So this is first I have taken 4 trial, then 6 trial I explained. Okay, in general now see, in general N trial is there. So N trial we have to take R success, then N minus R failure will be there. So you can say that S, how many time it is coming? R time, and F, how many time it is coming? N minus R time. Okay, total arrangement, tell me total arrangement factorial n by how many SSS is there? Factorial r at the same, like 4 things is there, same, r things same, and n minus r same. So this is nothing but NCR. NCR is what? Actually arrangement, and each arrangement consists this much of probability, p power r q power n minus. So total probability will be this. Okay, here I'm going to write this. This is NCR. Okay, way of, okay, arrangement, way of arrangement. And now each arrangement have p power r q power n minus r probability. So total probability, that will write NCR p power r q power n minus r. So simply you think like this: r success. So out of n experiment, r success is there. So at which places you are actually winning, that is the way of selection. NCR p power r q power n minus r. Simply. I hope you understood the theory, how it is moving. I hope it is okay. Now, let's see one question. A pair of dice is thrown. A pair of dice is thrown 6 times. 6 times. Getting a doublet. Doublet means same number. Getting a doublet is considered as success. Considered as success. Okay. Compute the probability of first question, no success. Second question, exactly one success. Exactly one success. Third question, at least one success. Fourth, at most one success. At most one success. You see, first we will understand what is P. So sample space, S. That will be, it might be 1 1 is coming, it might be 1 2 is coming, it might be 1 3 is coming, it might be 2 1, it might be 2 2. Okay, last one is 6 comma 6. So total 36 sample space is there. 36. Okay, 1 1 1 2 1 3 1 4, like that. Okay, what is favorable? If I ask you favorable, what is that? Getting a doublet. So 1 1 is the doublet, 2 2 is the doublet, 3 3 is the doublet, 4 4, 5 5, and 6 6. Okay, so here you can write NA is 6. So I can write probability of success. Probability of success. That is, we are calling PS, which is P we are calling. What is that? 6 by 36, which is 1 by 6. So success is 1 by 6. So failure will become 1 minus 1 by 6, 5 by 6, because total is 1. Understood? Now everything has been done. How many times you're throwing? Oh, sixth time you're throwing. Sixth time. Understood? Okay. Here n equal to 6 is there. How many time independent trial is being done? Sixth time. Okay. So first question is no success. So probability of success 0. Okay. Only failure is there. One success. Or you can say R success is there. So P 0 they are asking. So that we will write NC 0, P power 0, Q power N we will write. NCR model is no. What is that? P R is given by NCR, P power R, Q power N minus R. So R is the success. Okay. So 0 success, no success. So this can be written as 6C0. What is P value? That doesn't matter to us now. 1 by 6 power 0 is there. 5 by 6 power 6 is there. So total we are getting 5 power 6 upon 6 power 6. Okay, even you can do with fundamental way. Fundamental, how to do? So no success is there. So first failure, 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 failure. All 6 failure. So first failure 5 by 6, 5 by 6, because all are independent trial. And since is coming failure and failure and failure and failure, failure like that. Into 5 by 6, into 5 by 6, into 5 by 6. So what we are getting? 5 power 6 by 6 power 6. Anyway you can do. Okay, I'm correlating with it because in some question you may use that. Okay? Please don't be confused. Whenever win lose is coming, try to do with binomial way. Okay? Don't mix two things. You should be very aware of that. Okay, either there is chance of confusion that whether I have done correct or incorrect. Now exactly one success is there. So P1 they are asking. Second, P1. P1 means NC1, P power 1, Q power N minus 1. Or you can say 6C1, P power 1, Q power 5 you can write. So 6 into this can be written as P 1 by 6 and this one is 5 by 6 power 5. So this ultimately you can write 5 by 6 power 5. Third one is at least one success. At least one success means 1 minus no success. At least one success. Okay, at least one means constructive, exactly one plus exactly two plus dot dot exactly 6 also. Exactly 6. This is what constructive way. Constructive. Destructive will be at least one success means 1 minus no success. Okay, 1 minus no success. No success already you have done. 5 by 6 power 6. 5 by 6 power 6. Okay. Fourth one. Okay, if anyone interested from here, they can do the binomial theorem. Okay, and ultimately you'll get this one. Fourth, at most one success. At most one success. At most one success means 0 success plus exactly 1. So 1 minus 1 success. 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 1 minus 1 success Exactly one success. Zero success already you have done. 6C0, 1 by 6 power 0, 5 by 6 power 6. That's exactly one success. 6C1, 1 by 6, 5 by 6 power 5. That's I hope you understood success, non-success, and at least one success, constructive, destructive. At most one success, 0 plus exactly one success. Okay, you see, theme will remain same. Only question will change. What are the changes will be there? Okay, definitely p-value can change. Okay, different probability will be there. Losing different probability will be there. Number of trial may be different, but question will remain same. Win, lose, and they will ask at least one success, two success, three success, four success. This can be asked on maximum. Okay, so there is nothing in this topic particularly. Okay, one more thing is there, which is we are calling infinite way of doing that. Okay, somewhat different. So I hope this topic is clear. Let's see some more question. We can see. Try to do this. Another question. In a hurdle, in a hurdle race, in a hurdle race, a man has to clear 9 hurdles. 9 hurdles. Probability that he clears a hurdle 2 by 3, and that and he knocked down. Knocked down means out. Knocked down is 1 by 3. Find probability. Find probability that he knocked down fewer than 2 hurdles. Try to correlate the question. Okay. Total experiment. How many n independent trial is there? 9 hurdles are there. Okay, you see, it is kind of race is there, like horse is there, no? Horse is there, man race is there. So man only like they are going. So some hurdle is there. In that you have to jump actually, like jumping. So these we are calling hurdle. So it is saying he knocked down fewer than 2 hurdle. Fewer than 2 hurdle means either he is um, knocking down 1 hurdle or 0 hurdle. Fewer than 2 hurdle. Okay, so we'll write here probability he knocked down fewer than 2 hurdle. Fewer than 2 hurdle means either 0 success or 1 success, because fewer than 2 they are talking about. So this is only possibility. I hope it is okay. Winning. Winning is what? Tell me. Winning. What is winning here? Yes, anyone tell me what is winning you are taking here? Let's say what is winning? 1 by 3. Very good. 1 by 3 because we have to knock down actually. What is your requirement? Knock down. So this will be taken as winning 1 by 3 and Q will be 2 by 3. Okay, this is clearing actually. Fewer than 2 hurdle means you can say either he is clearing, not clearing 0 or not clearing 1. I hope it is okay. Please take that which one is your success actually. Okay, so now we need P0 plus P1 required. So this can be written as 9C0, 1 by 3 power 0, 2 by 3 power 1, sorry 9. This can be written as 9C1, 1 by 3 power 1, 2 by 3 power 8. Okay. Hope it is clear. More question based on this. A drunkard takes a step previous page. Now you see, a drunkard takes a step forward or backward. Have you seen drunkard how he is moving like that? So either he is taking a step forward or backward. Okay, don't say that diagonally. Diagonally is not taking steps. Okay, either he is going forward or he is going backward. Backward. The probability that he takes a step forward is 0.4. Find probability that at the end of 11 steps he is one step away from the starting point. Okay, this is the question. Okay, suppose drunkard is there. So either he will go up, means this side he will go. Okay, it is like the steps, one step, then second step is there, third step is there. Okay, either he will go this side, one step, second step, third step, fourth step. Okay, so either he will go this side or he will go this side. Okay, understood? So 11 step he has to take, and final position is either he is here. Okay, this is initial position, tick like initial. This one is final position, or it can be this final position. Means okay, just step one step away from the initial position. So suppose he is going this side. Okay, so definitely in this side more step will be taken. So I can say, sir, 6 forward and 5 backward you take. If he is going this direction, okay, first step, suppose this direction is there. So definitely 6 forward and 5 backward is there. If you are thinking anything else, you can tell me. Okay, and suppose he is going backward side. This is forward and this one is backward. So in backward he have to take more step actually. So 6 backward 5 forward. Okay, it might be like this also. You see, he is here, no? Okay, like 2 step he is taking forward and 1 step back, no problem. Okay, anyhow you do, you have to take 6 step forward and 5 step backward, or you can say 6 step backward, 5 forward. This is the only chance. If he is taking 6 forward, okay, so he will be at this position, and if he is taking 6 backward, so he'll be at this position. Anyhow, in these two situations, he will be at just 1 step away from the initial position. Tell me if you are thinking anything else. Anyhow, you complete. Okay. If anyone thinking, sir, forward, okay, why don't you do like this? Forward, backward, forward, backward, forward, backward. Anyhow, you do, you count, and you will see only 6 forward and 5 backward is there for this side, forward side. Okay, for backward side, anyhow you go. Okay, forward, backward, backward, forward, forward, backward steps. Okay, first is going up, coming, going back. Okay, so anyhow is going. So step forward and backward will be taken like this only. Fine. Hope it is clear, right? So that means 2 cases is possible. Okay, so required probability I'm writing. Required probability. Okay, first thing, what is step forward? Suppose step forward is losing, or you can say winning. Suppose step forward, okay, winning is there. Step forward, winning you are taking P 0.4. Okay, actually winning, losing here it doesn't matter. Anyone you can take winning, anyone you can take losing, but this will remain same. Okay, for backward is there, so backward power 6 will be there, forward power 5 will be there, whatever probability you are taking. Okay, so suppose this is winning you are taking and probability for backward step, that will be 0.6. 0.6. So required probability we will write. Okay, here 5 forward, 5 forward and 6 backward, or you can say 6 forward and 5 backward. See, 5 forward is there, so forward you can take, okay, out of 11 steps, 11 C5, right? Forward 0.4, 0.4 power 5 will be there, and this will become 0.6 power, tell me, 6 you have to write. This one total 11 thing is there. Suppose forward, if you're thinking winning, so 11 C 6 will come, forward 0.4 power 6 will come, and 0.6 power 5 will come. Okay. Right, so this can be taken. Hope it is clear. This is the probability. Hope it is clear. Okay, some more question we will see here. You're asking, can we do any other method? Other method is basic if we are using. So in basic, actually counting will become very difficult. Okay. Actually you can do, but you will get this part only. Means you are going to write factorial 11 by factorial 5 factorial. So distribution model is there. Okay, with the distribution we can do, but distribution 11C5 is distribution actually. 11C5 we can write factorial 11 by factorial 5 factorial 6 is there. Okay, so you can start like this. like one step away, so you can say forward 6 is taking, so f you can take. Okay, so you can do like one combination you make. Okay, like first forward, then backward, forward, backward, forward, backward. What is happening in this? What is happening? Forward, backward, forward, backward, forward, backward means still he is at initial position only. Okay, initial position. So total you can say 5 set you make, forward, backward, forward, backward. So already 5 set make, and now just you take one forward, or you can say, sir, you can take backward also, no problem. Means up to 5 pairs. What is happening? Forward, backward, forward, backward, forward, backward is there. He is at initial position only. So one last step he can take forward or he can take backward. So condition is being followed. So for this you don't have to think about it. Forward, backward, right? Last step, forward or backward. So actually what is happening? This can be rearranged. This is one just particular things I have written. Okay, and this can also be rearranged. Second part, forward, backward, forward, backward, forward, backward is the last one is forward. So this all 11 steps can be rearranged. It might be backward is first, forward is second, then backward, backward is there, then forward, forward is there. Okay. So you can distribute here factorial 11 by factorial 5, factorial 6, and this is also in the same way it is moving. Okay, here total 6 forward is there, here total 6 backward you'll get in second case. This is first case, this is second case. So distribution model also you can do, but actually it is coming from distribution only. Selection is coming from distribution only. Fine. So hopefully this is same only, that's why we are not thinking that much. Okay, next question. Question is, a die is thrown. A die is thrown 7 times. 7 times. What is the chance? What is the chance that an odd number turns up? Turns up. First question. Exactly 4 times. Second question. At least 4 times. At least 4 times. Okay. So you write this. A fair coin is tossed a fixed number of times. Fixed number of time. If the probability of getting 7 heads is equal to getting 9 heads. 9 heads. The probability of getting 2 heads is option A 15 by 2 power 5, second 2 by 15, C option 15 upon 2 power 13, and D none. Yes, on biased coin, very few problems are there because biased coin we are not taking. Fine. Fair coin only we are talking about. Okay, so some question is there in biased coin also. Okay, it will come. Don't worry about that. Only 2, 3, 4 question is enough. Okay, fair coin, biased coin is nothing. Only probability is changing. For head, there will be not half. Half of won't be there. It might be 1/3, 2/3. Only that change is there. Nothing extra thing is there. Okay. So have you done first question? Or should I write one more question here? Then we'll do as a whole all. A coin is twice as likely coin is twice as likely to land. Vishal, your wish has been completed. Now biased coin coming. A coin is twice likely to land heads as tails. Okay, biased coin is there. In a sequence of 5 independent trials, find probability that the third head occurs on fifth toss. It is good question, I will say. Yesterday we were doing something like that. We're fixing last position, then we were varying others. Okay. I hope first question is very easy. Okay, n value is 7. Hope you have written all. Please write and just give me hint. If anyone has done, they can raise hand. We will see who has done that. First question, I'm going to start now. I hope you people have written because okay, page is different. Page is different. You see, die is thrown 7 times. What is the probability? What is the chance that an odd number turns up? Exactly 4 times. So here this n value is 7. Okay. Suppose winning we are taking odd number terms up. Odd number turns up. So that probability we are calling P. That will be 1/2 only. Because odd numbers are 1, 3, 5 and total sample space is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So Q value will also be half only. Q value will also be half only. Now question is, first question, exactly 4 success. Exactly 4 success means out of 7 we have to select 4 success. What is success? Success is odd number terms up. So 1/2 power 4 and 1/2 power 3. 7C4, tell me 7C4, 35. 35. Into this can be written as 1/2 power 7. So 128. So 35 by 128 is the correct answer. Second, second is at least 4 times. At least 4 times means 4 times, 5 times, 6 times. At least 4 times means exactly 4 plus exactly 5 plus exactly 6 times. Okay. Exactly 4 means 7C4. Already we have written this 1 by 2 power 4, 1 by 2 power 3. Exactly 5 means 7C5, 1 by 2. Okay, it will always remain same only. Okay, 7 only will come because, okay, you see 1 by 2, 1 by 2 is there. P, Q are same. So P power 7 always it will come. And here 7C6, 1 by 2 power 7 will come. I hope you are getting that. So 1 by 2 power 7, you just take it out. What 7C4, C5, C6 is there. Just tell me what is the value. 7C4 already calculated 35. 7C5 means 21. 7C2 it is 7C2 and 7C1 7 only. So 28 plus 53. Tell me 28 53 1 81. Are 7 also. Sorry, exactly 7 also. Then 7 trial is there. Exactly 7. Exactly 7 means 7C7, 1 by 2 power 7 will come. 7C7 is 1 only. Very good, very good. Even answer out not matching, so definitely I will do that. Plus 1 is also coming. So 82 is coming. 82 by, is it okay now? At least 4 means exactly 4 times, exactly 5 times, exactly 6 times, or exactly 7 times. 4, 5, 7C4, already 35 is there, 7C2, 21, 7, and 7, 1. So 29 plus 53. This is 128. 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? What is coming? Just divide it. No. 42 and 64. 41, sorry, 41. So 41 by 64. Yes. Some 84. Oh, 53 I have written here. Oh, that is why I was thinking something wrong is there. 53, this is 29. 29, 35 is there. 4, 64. Yeah, correct. 64 by 128. So it is coming 1 by 2. Correct. Now it is correct. I have written 53. That is why I was being silent that something wrong is there. So this is done. First question done. Second question is fair coin is there. They have not given how many trial you are doing. Okay, so first you have to find n value. So for getting n value, something is given. If the probability of getting 7 head is equals to getting 9 head, okay, then probability of getting 2 head. So what is given here? All of you see that. Okay. Let n independent trial is there. Okay, so it is given that probability of getting 9 head is equals to getting 7 head. Head and probability of head and head only given. I hope. Yeah, head and head only given. That means probability of getting 9 head means NC9 1 by 2 power 9 and 1 by 2 power n minus 9 you can write. What is happened? This is 9 head. 9 head. Head probability 1 by 2, tail probability 1 by 2, and 7 head NC7 1 by 2 power 7 and 1 by 2 power n minus 7. This is what 7 head. Understood? Now you see what we are getting. 9 9 cancel, 7 7 cancel. So this part is being cancelled with this. So NC9 equal to NC7 means n value 16. If we know that NCx equal to NCy, so n value will be x plus y, or you can say x equal to y. This is possible, but x equal to y is not possible because 9 and 7 are not equal. So n value will be 9 plus 7. So n already you got. So what they are asking? Required probability. Okay, 2 heads. Getting 2 heads. So 16C2 1 by 2 power 2 1 by 2 power 14. So 16C2 whatever coming, 120 is coming. Tell me the answer. 120 something will come. 16C2 means 16 into 5, 15 by 2, 120. 120 into 1 by 2 power 16 will come. And you can divide them, something will come. 120 is there, no? So 15 into 8 you can write. So 2 power 3 into 15, and this can be written as 1 by 2 power 16. So 15 upon 2 power 30. Which answer? C answer is matching. This is important question. These type of questions are expectable in mains. Like this question now, why is the coin is there? A coin is twice as likely to land head as tails. Means like 3, suppose independent trial is being done. So 2 times head will come and 1 time tail will come. A coin is twice as likely to land head as tails. Right? So probability of head is 2 by 3, double is there, and probability of tail will become 1 by 3. So here example number 3. Suppose winning 2 by 3 head. Okay, head winning I have taken, and tail I'm taking losing. Okay, in a sequence of 5 independent trials, find probability that third head occurs in 5th toss. Third head 5th toss. 1, toss 1, toss 2, toss 3, toss 4, toss 5 is there. So at this position we are getting third head. Okay, H3 is coming here. Or you can say only H you write better. H is fixed here. So here, here, here. 2 head and 2 tail will be there. Okay, from here to here, 2 head, 2 tail will be there. Tell me, anyone have problem? Then tell me. 5th, third head is coming in 5th trial. Question is third head occurs on 5th toss. So 5th toss is fixed. Head is there. So before 4, in that 2 head will be there. So 2 tail will also be there. That means out of 4 trial, winning is 2 times. So required probability can be written as 4C2 1 by 2 power 2 and 1 by 2 power 2. Okay, this question can be rearranged also. We can see clearly actually. And the last one is head. Okay, last one is head. Already it is fixed. Oh, 2 by 3 and that. Sorry. Head. So 4 by 9 and 1 by 9. Last trial it is. Okay. In that also this is head is coming, no? So head probability you have to write. 4C2 6, 4 by 9, 1 by 9, 2 by 3. So total you solve, you will get 16 by 8. Okay, so last trial is fixed with head. Okay, this one out of 4 you need 2 head, 2 tail. So 2 head, 2 tail written, and the last one is head only. Last trial. And what is the probability of head? This one. Okay, you can treat like this. What is happening? Just see this. I think this will be more preferable method. You see. Okay, suppose okay, head, tail is coming, and the last one is head. No problem. Okay, it might be head, tail, head is coming, and last one is fixed here. It might be head, tail, head, uh, tail, head is fixed here. Fifth one. Okay, total 6 things will come. Factorial 4 by factorial 2, factorial 2. HT has T done. Then it might be T, H is there. Fifth one is fixed. It might be T, T, H, and the last one is H, and one more T, uh, H, T, and H is coming. So this is total ways possible. What is happening? 5 trials has been done, and last one is head coming. Head. R sense is there. R, 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 R. So this one probability, tell me. Probability independent it is. First one is head, second one is head. Independent it is. Independent means into will come. Okay. So what is probability of head? 2 by 3. Probability of head 2 by 3. Probability of tail 1 by 3. Probability of tail 1 by 3. Probability of head last one 2 by 3. So this is first one done. Similarly, you do second one, head 2 by 3, tail 1 by 3, tail 1 by 3, head 2 by 3, head 2 by 3. So what is happening? How many times it is coming? 6 times is coming. And you see all the time you will get 2 by 3 power 3 and 1 by 3 power 2. Okay, because 3 head is there and 2 tail is there. So 2 by 3 power 3 because 3 head is there and 1 by 3 power 2 will come. So ultimately what you can write? 4C2. Okay, 2 by 3 power 3, right? Okay, this is also coming here. And 1 by 9 power, or sorry, 1 by 3 power 2, you write. Understood this? I hope you understood. Okay. So total you have to complete this. This part, and total you will get 16 by 18. So this you can say just for explanation purpose. that this way game can happen. I hope it is clear. This is last question, right? Okay. And whatever thing is clear or breaking, tell me. Vice is clear, right? Okay, power came now. Power also there now. Fine. Fine. Vice clear. Okay, okay, okay. So this is new. Okay. Half an hour we are having. Don't skip this, okay? Otherwise, you'll be having problem. Okay, so win lose we have done. Now infinite model. So this is we are calling infinistic probability. Infinite probability means in way losing winning is already there. Losing winning is there, but questions or you can say model will be like, okay, like two players is there, suppose, okay, theory model, two players is there, suppose. If it is saying find probability, okay, this is just for writing, I have written just for explanation, later I will write in the whole way. Find the probability that A wins, means we need to find A is winning, that means B is losing all the time. So it may happen that first game is happening A win, A win. So game over, right? or you can say A losing, B losing. Now A is winning, then game over. Okay. Or you can say A losing, B losing, A losing, B losing, and A is winning. So it is going like this. What is happening here? One game is there in which suppose when A wins, then only game will be over. Okay, A wins, then only game will be over. So you can say first game is going to happen and A is winning, game over. Or you can say, okay, game happened, A lose and B is also losing, then A wins. Okay, both have to, okay, it is like A losing, B losing, and A is winning. Okay, then losing, then last one is fifth game is win by this. Okay, once again. Yes. So in language, I will write. And very few questions are there on this. Okay. Earlier one was super. Suppose two players play game. It may happen for three players also. Suppose two players play game until one of them wins the game. Until one of them wins the game. Winning of game. Winning of game decided by players. Decided by players. This is not exactly theory. Actually, it is, you can say, one type of question. Winning of game decided by players. examples also it is, such as tossing of a coin, throwing a dice. One who gets head first wins the game. Wins the game. Let PQ be the probability of success and failure, of success and failure. So definitely P plus Q will be 1. Okay. Now you see what is saying, one who gets head first wins the game. Suppose, okay, A and B, two players are there. Let A and B, two players. Okay. So winning of A, suppose winning of A, if I ask you. So only I want to make winner A only. So it may happen, game is happening, A wins, or you can say A wins means head is coming. A is flipping and head is coming. It may happen A is flipping, tail is coming. Okay, B is flipping, tail is coming. So both are losing. Then you can say, okay, next trial, third trial, okay, now A is winning. It may happen like this. Okay, game over is happening when A wins. Okay, what is happening? A tail, B tail, A head. Or you can say A tail, B tail, again A tail, B tail, then A head is coming. Okay, 5 flips are there. In third step, 5 flips are there. First step, only 1 flip. First time only A is winning. Okay, then second is A losing, B losing, A is winning, like that. Okay, third one is going like so. In this way, it will go infinite terms. Okay, like you started with your friend and tell, he's also getting 10, you're also getting 10, he's also getting 10. So suppose 5 times it is happening and 6th trial you're doing and it is coming head, so you wins. So in this way, how many ways possible you can win the game? So this is, it is going infinite ways. So this probability is called infinistic probability. Okay, and in that also success failure model is there, right? So here we are going to write it. Let A and B, two players. Let A and B, two players. Then winning chance of A. Winning chance of A is given by PA. P is probability of winning A. So that can be written as probability of A wins plus probability of A lose. Probability of B also lose, then probability of A win. Okay, already we have done this. Okay, you can write like this. Winning A means you can treat like this. A wins plus A lose, B lose, A win. So this is written like that. A lose, B lose, A win plus, okay, what will happen? P of A lose, P of B lose into P of A lose again, A lose, then probability of B lose into probability of A win plus dot dot infinite way. So okay, you can write it from here. A lose, B lose, A lose, B lose, A win, and dot dot way it is going. So that will be Okay, this is the actual, we can understand from here. Now, so this can be written as, okay, infinite GP is coming. So suppose P wins or A wins. So P is there, then A lose. A lose. How many ways? Q. Okay, B lose. Understand? B lose. Tell me. Q. Okay, losing and winning is there. Okay, nothing is there. Losing, winning. Okay, decided by players such as tossing a coin. One who get head first wins. So what is happening? Tail, tail. So losing, losing is there. Okay, head is winning. So then head is coming. Then you can say tail, 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 tail. Then head is coming. Or you can say tail, 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 tail. Tail, tail. Okay, na? 2, 4, 6 is coming. Then winning is there and dot dot infinite way. Okay, you see P plus Q square, P plus Q power 4 is there. Okay, Q power 6 is coming like that. So PA can be written as P you take common. So it will become 1 plus Q square, Q power 4, Q power 6, dot dot infinite term. So this is infinite GP is there. So A upon 1 minus R you can write. So this is nothing but P upon 1 minus Q square. Probability of winning A is this. Similarly, you can find probability of winning Q also. So that will become what matters. Okay, it will remain same. Winning method, probability of winning A is this one. Okay, we will do question, then only we'll get more ideas. Okay, now suppose two players are playing. Yes, and P plus Q already it is P plus Q is 1. So this can be written as P value is 1 minus Q. So this is being manipulated 1 minus Q upon 1 minus Q square. So that can be written as 1 by 1 plus Q. PA. Okay. And then what is PB? PA plus PB is total 1. So 1 minus 1 by 1 plus Q. So this can be written as Q upon 1 plus Q. Or you can say from here also 1 minus you can write, but it doesn't matter. So PA is this one. PB is this one. Okay. Now suppose 3 players are there. 3 players. Three players A, B, C. Yes, previous page you can see. If anyone is losing, another win, another one will win. Only winning, losing is there. Okay. If anyone interested, sir, I don't want to do with this way. He can go like this. Okay. Winning of B is there, no. So first A will lose, means Q have to write. So QP will come. Okay. QP. Then next, okay, Q, then P will come. Okay. That way also you can do. You will get this one. Okay. The same I will explain in this part. Suppose winning of A. Okay. Losing and winning is same. Okay. P is what? Winning. And Q is what? Losing. Now A wants to win. P win. Okay. Sorry. A win. A win. I have to write. Yeah. A want to win. So it may happen that okay, cyclic play game is going on. Cyclic game is there. Cyclic game is, suppose first game A playing, then second game B, then second last game C, then again A will come. Okay, it is not like that B is coming. So cyclic game is there. So A win means in first toss only A is winning. Okay, then win is there. Or you can say A losing, B losing, C is also losing. Means after playing whole the game, like A lose, then B is coming. B lose, then C is coming. C lose, then A will come. Now A is winning. It may happen like that. No problem. Or it can say A losing, B losing, C also losing. Next game, next cycle, A losing, B losing, C losing, and then A is winning. So it is going like this, infinite terms. Winning means P. So P plus here will get Q cube. P will come. And Q power 6 will come. P will come. Dot dot infinite term. A win. So P you can take common and you can write 1 plus Q cube, Q power 6 infinite terms. So this can be written as A upon 1 minus R. If anyone interested 1 minus Q, you can write P of A win. And we know that P equal to 1 minus Q. You can represent it. So P value 1 minus Q. So this can be written as 1 plus Q square. That much is enough, right? 1 minus Q1, 1 minus Q cube. A cube minus B cube open. You will get this one. Now A is winning and cycle thing is running, right? Cycle thing is there. ABC cyclic is here. Cyclic game is there. Now suppose we are going for B win. Probability of B win. So cycle is there, no? A, B, C. So first A is playing, then B is playing, then C is playing. So for winning B, A should lose. Then B win. Over, game over. Winning, game over. Then you can say A losing, B also losing, C also losing, A losing, B is winning. Okay, next will be A losing, B losing, C losing. Then A losing, B losing, C also losing. Then A is losing, B is winning, and dot dot infinite terms it is running. So this can be written as losing means Q, winning means P, QP. And here how many Q are there? Q power 4 is there, and P is coming. Okay, difference is 3. So Q power 7 will come, then P will come, dot dot infinite terms. Okay, you can take QP common, or you can treat like A upon 1 minus R. Suppose QP am taking common. So 1 plus Q cube will come. Q power 6 will come. Dot dot infinite term. So we can write QP upon 1 minus Q cube you can write. And if anyone interested, he can write like this. Okay, P value is 1 minus Q. So 1 minus Q will be cancelled. So Q upon 1 plus Q square will come. So P of B winning, that can be written as Q upon 1 plus Q square. Okay, or you can say Q into winning of A. Q into probability of A win. This can also be extended. Now C win, C win, C win, probability of C win. So A losing, B losing, C is winning. A winning, A losing, B losing, C losing. A losing, B losing, C winning. Or you can say, okay, we understood what is that. So Q square P is there. Next will come Q power 5. P will come. Okay, 3 gap is there. Q power 8, P will come. So Q square P you can take common. So 1 plus Q cube, Q power 5, right? 5. 5. 2, 5 is there. 6 will be there, na? 6 plus q power 9, dot dot like that. So q is square p upon 1 minus q cube. And more you can write q square upon 1 plus q square, because p value 1 minus q. So PV probability of C win will be q square upon 1 plus q square, or you can say q square into probability of A win, or you can say q into probability of B win. This is also can be written. Means okay, what is the conclusion? Conclusion is like A, B, C. If they are going to play in cycle, then suppose probability of winning A is alpha. Okay, okay. Then this will become Q alpha, and this will become Q alpha square. Okay. Probability of winning A is alpha, then probability of winning B will be Q alpha, and that will be Q alpha square. Hope it is clear. Now question is there. With question only we will get it. Now let's see this question. We are doing less question on this because 8 minutes is there. Tomorrow also we'll do 1-2 question based on this. In a game, three players A, B, C, A, B, C toss coin. Definitely it will be cyclically in the order. No need of mentioning order. Okay, already they have mentioned it. That means A is there, B is there, then A is there, B is there, C is there. Like that. Till head shows. And the player who get that head is said to win the game. Suppose the coin has probability 2/5 of head showing. So this is biased coin. Then probability that B wins. Then probability that B wins. So already we have seen that directly you can use formula. Probability of B winning is given by Q upon 1 plus Q square. What is Q? Q is losing we have taken. Okay, Q is losing taken. So 2/5 is winning. So 3/5 will be losing. So this can be written as 3/5, 1 plus 3/5 plus 9/25. And it is coming 15/49. Okay, direct formula based question. I hope it is okay. One more question is there. Just one question. Last question. Question is, a man alternately tosses a coin and throws a die beginning with queen. The probability that he gets ahead before he gets 5 or 6 on the die is. Okay, on the die is. So this is good question. Alternate tosses a coin and throws a die beginning with coin. Okay. So the probability that he gets a head before he, okay, so here winning is what? Getting head. Getting head. And winning is there. Winning is enough. Losing it is like getting 5 or 6. Getting 5 or 6. Okay, you can say 2 by 6 will be the probability. 1 by 3 because 5 or 6 is coming, so that will be losing. Okay, so it should not come together. I mean, sorry, it should not come before head. Head should be before only. Okay, means getting head will be the winning. So it is a probability of, okay, man winning will be, it is like head is coming first. Okay, okay, like it is winning, or I can say losing, then winning. Okay, or you can say losing, 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 then winning. It is going like this. A winning means, okay, head is coming. Winning means head is coming. How many ways? 1 by 2. Okay, then losing means what? Losing means what? Okay, not head, tail is coming. Tail is coming. Okay, tail is coming. Wait. The probability that he gets head before he get 5 or 6 on the die. Wait. 5 and 6 is not coming. Wait. Just wait. Sorry, losing means, okay, 4 or something should come. This is not coming. Sorry. Yes, losing means just correlate with it. Okay, head is coming. Okay, if suppose head is not coming, okay, tail will come. So two things he is doing. One is tossing die, and another is tossing coin is there. Okay, so losing will be 4 by 6 because 1, 2, 3, 4 can come. So Q will be 4 by 6, which is 2 by 3. Condition is there. So this is, we will write 2 by 3 means, okay, on die it is coming like that. Okay, tail head is like that. So I'm going to write this, please. Okay, in the language you understood. Okay, winning head is coming, or you can say then tail is coming, or you can say, okay, 5 or 6 not is coming, 4 by 6 is coming, 2 by 3, and then head is coming, or you can say tail, then 1 to 4 is coming, or you can say tail, then 1 to 4 is coming, then head is coming. So it is going like that, infinite model. Once again I'm telling, okay, how it is moving like that. Okay, so instead of writing like this, what is happening? A win means head is coming, A lose means tail is coming, B lose means here two games are there. A and B model you can understand. This is a coin you can understood with A, and die you can understood with B. Losing die means 1 to 4 is coming. So here, this is not coming. Okay, 5 and 6 is not coming. So all the time head only coming. Okay, so just see how what is common here. 1 plus 2 by 6, 1 by 3 you can say, plus 4 by 36 will come, dot dot infinite terms. So we can write 1 by 2. This is nothing but 1 by 3 is coming. 1 by 3, 1 by 9. So a upon 1 minus r, 1 by 3 is coming. So what we are getting? 1 by 2 and 3 by 2. So 3 by 4. Okay. So correct answer 0.75. Okay. In a hurry, I have seen. Please see that what is happened here. Okay, head is coming. Okay, then then winning, or you can say he is getting tail, and in dice he is getting 1 to 4. Okay, then losing only, losing, and this one winning means head is coming. Then we can say tail 1 to 4, tail 1 to 4, then head is coming. Three by 4 is there, right? Hope it is clear. So this is for today.